Hey everyone, for the last few weeks I've been building a radio and comms flight navigation panel for use with Flight Simulator 2020. I've 3D printed this panel here. I'm using MobiFlight to display the data on the LCD screen. I have 4 dual rotary encoders and I have 4 buttons. Over here this is all powered by an Arduino Mega. I can change the values with the dual rotary encoders. So on the screen we have the active values here, we have the standby values here. So if I try and change the COM1 standby values, you can see the numbers are changing. And if I want to make that COM1 standby active, I press the button and you'll see it switch over. I can do the same for a COM2. So we see the COM2 standby value changing as I twist the dial, and if I press the button it switches over. And the same is true with nav1 and with nav2, and these values here are reflected in the sim. So this is a Cessna 172. So if I change the COM1 dial, if I start twisting it now, you can see it's adjusting in the sim. So this has been keeping me busy for a few weeks. I'll put together a video shortly that just describes the build process and the MobiFlight configuration. Happy flying!